I just wanted to mention that this should be used for a temporary solution. I ordered another part off eBay that's OEM and has new hoses, so I wouldn't do this as a permanent, but if you're in a pinch, then this is probably the best way to go. Alright, so today back with the Ford EcoSport 2019, and it's been having purge valve issues, and it's this thing right here. I got this off of Amazon for about $13, and I've seen other YouTube videos to where they show that this was in the back, but that's actually the vent valve, and we did change that, and it's still having the same issue. And the issues that we're having are whenever you put gas in it, it will not turn over, or like it's struggling to start. And from just research, I'm pretty sure it's this purge valve vent, which you can order the whole assembly, but it's kind of a pain in the ass to change it all. So I'm gonna give this $13 part from Amazon a try and just kind of jerry rig it. So this is the part right here at the top of your engine bay that we're gonna try to replace, and I just cut the fixed tubes down the middle, and we're gonna see if it works with silicone tape and some hose clamps. You have to unplug this right here as well from this from this connector as well. Once you have it off, you can actually tell if it's bad by blowing through the middle here, and if you can feel air on the other side, then it's bad. I just bought these little hose clamp things from Walmart, and technically you could use a heat gun to try and heat gun these things back together, but I'm kind of wary about using a heat gun on something that contains fuel, so we're gonna try these with some extreme silicone tape that I bought from Amazon. So here's the new one. There's a little arrow. I don't know if it'll focus. There's an arrow right there that shows the direction you want it, and also this thing has this little bracket that it will slide down on top of as well. So with this silicone tape, it's actually not sticky, but you peel off this plastic after you cut it, and it like sticks to itself just by stretching it. And so you can kind of see I've got some on there already. You just kind of stretch it out and it'll stick. So like that, if you just stretch it around and pull it tight, it'll stick to itself. All right, and I just put this hose clamp on there, and you just take like a flathead and you just twist it. Should pretty much get it all the way. You just twist it and then it'll tighten. So I'm hoping this kind of seals it with the tape to be enough. So we'll see. I'm just gonna do it on this other side as well. All right, so I've got both those clamps on there. This one's a little neater than that one, but that one's a little hard because the electric part was right there. But see, it kind of sits on this bracket right here, so it doesn't move. Now I'm gonna hook this back up and then try to put gas in it with a gas can in the driveway and see if it'll start. Hopefully it does.